like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me on treat you some violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm scared, I'm the lowest, so they know. But then you keep it down, let nobody know.
Hey kitties, it's your girl KBK back with your cutie pies with another video, and this is gonna be our recreate, kind of like inspired dupe of this cute jean denim belt, and it looks so cute. So we're going ahead and jump straight into the video. Go ahead and go to Roses to get you a cute denim shorts or skirts, whatever you choose to prefer, or if you have some old pants or jeans laying around the house, go ahead and cut that up. We're gonna go ahead and mark it. Make sure it gets that like that. Make sure you mark it great size to your waist. I made sure it's like a pyramid, and I cut that off. Don't forget to cut that little tag up. We're gonna not need her anymore. Bye bye. And now we're gonna go ahead and make the sides. Yep. I just found whatever's rounded circle around laying around house. For me today, it's gonna be a candle jar. I'm gonna go ahead and mark that. We're gonna cut the sides out like you see, and make sure you guys now. Here is the fun part we all been waiting for. We're gonna go ahead and start unraveling to make it more look like it's been distressed. So I'm going to take me some tweezers and a nail file that I have laying around the house. You can use whatever tools. For me, this one works way much better than using that cheese grater. So I definitely recommend using this if you have laying around the house. If you don't got a nail file, go ahead to the local Dollar Tree or local $1.25 store and go get you one. And now here is the final finished look. Girl, I look so cute. I look like I just came off the straight of a walkway of Paris. So I am loving it. So you guys go ahead and take you some, go get you some denim jeans and go ahead and make you some ones down, because this looks so cute before. Because I really like this. I have been seeing it in my Pinterest for a while now, and I'm like, finally it's summer and now I get to use it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And also don't forget to hit that little bell so you know if I want to post a video. And also go share this with your friends because it's also cool. And follow my social media pages linked down in the description box below or right here as you see. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye cuties. Cutie out.
Even though I got